Structured App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, Honest and Unbiased. You won't believe how investing apps have evolved in 2025. Structured promises accessible, goal-based investing with clear visualizations, but is it worth using? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming investing requires complex research or professional advice. Structured uses a visual, intuitive approach that helps users understand where their money is going and track progress toward financial goals. One major advantage is goal orientation. You won't believe what happens next when you see users can create personalized investment plans for retirement, education, or short-term savings. The app provides recommended allocations, risk analysis, and progress updates, making investing approachable for beginners. Structured also offers low fees compared to traditional brokers and automated portfolio adjustments to keep your investments aligned with your goals. Notifications and insights help users stay on track without constant monitoring. However, there are cons. Investment options are limited compared to full-service brokers, and risk still applies. Users can lose money if markets decline. Advanced traders may find the app too basic, and some features require a subscription for full functionality. In conclusion, Structured in 2025 is ideal for beginner to intermediate investors looking for a visual, goal-oriented approach. While investment options and risk factors are considerations, the combination of accessibility, low fees, and progress tracking makes Structured a compelling tool for those seeking a simplified investing experience.